Two young long-eared owls sit quietly on a tree branch deep within the forest, their large orange eyes carefully observing everything around them. Still covered in soft, fluffy feathers, these young owls are learning the skills they will need to survive. They watch every movement in the forest, the rustling leaves, passing insects, and distant calls of other birds. Though they may look calm and curious, these youngsters are preparing for a life as silent nighttime hunters. Soon, they will leave the safety of their nest and begin exploring the forest on their own. This peaceful moment is a glimpse into the early life of one of nature's most mysterious and beautiful owls.